The NEDs that I'm still seeing are still up. There, I think we're going to have more foreclosure notices filed than we did last year. I think it's probably going to be another up maybe 10 to 15%. The MLS statistics are reflecting something good though. I think last year at this time we had right around 21,000 active listings. Now we're down to about 15. That's a huge step in the right direction. That is showing that our inventory is shrinking, which is going to, the side effect of that, or the benefit of that, is our values should start inching back up again. I can't remember what the MLS stat showed as far as what the value. I think the values were still down again this year, but they weren't down as much overall. But our inventory is shrinking, which is a good thing, because that means that we're getting, these modifications are going through. People are not having to put their houses on the market, so it's working. It's working.
I would say in Larimer County, we're seeing the same thing that Ron is seeing here in Metro Denver, that our NED lists are growing, but at the same time that the NED list is growing, so is the continuance list. So that's when you get your foreclosure postponed because you're trying to either do a short sale or a loan mod. So we'll see what happens. I think there's particular servicers out there who do have a backlog of files because of the moratoriums that were in place, and those are starting to slowly release out, and we could be back at pre-moratorium levels, in another 18 months, but we'll see what happens. But I think overall, there's the effectiveness of the hotline, and the counselors are getting out there, and and the real estate community is doing better. And in Larimer County, our values are holding, and our inventory is also shrinking. So hopefully we're going to be able to reverse this into the perfect storm that will enable our real estate economy to recover a little quicker.